Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Bitwarden your default password manager on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots there, which is your Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a side menu with additional extension-related options. From this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install various extensions for your browser. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type Bitwarden Password Manager and press Enter. This will bring up the search results for Bitwarden. When you see the Bitwarden Password Manager extension appear in the results, go ahead and click on it to open its dedicated page. On the Bitwarden extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. This will begin downloading and installing the Bitwarden extension to your Chrome browser. The installation process usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while Chrome sets everything up for you. Once the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window again. You'll notice a puzzle piece icon, which represents your extensions. Click on this extension icon to see a list of all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, locate and click on Bitwarden to open the extension. The Bitwarden login screen will now appear. Here, you'll need to log into your Bitwarden account to access your password vault. Enter your email address and master password in the respective fields. Then click the Login button. This step is important because it connects your Bitwarden vault to the Chrome extension, allowing you to access your saved passwords. After logging in, navigate to the Settings option within the Bitwarden extension. Once you're in Settings, look for and click on the Autofill section. This is where you can configure how Bitwarden interacts with password fields on websites. In the Autofill settings, you'll see a checkbox labeled Make Bitwarden your default password manager. Check this box to set Bitwarden as your primary password manager in Chrome. This means that whenever you visit a website with a login form, Bitwarden will be the tool that offers to fill in your credentials automatically, rather than Chrome's built-in password manager. After checking the box, a prompt will appear asking you to allow Bitwarden to become your default password manager. Click Allow to confirm your choice. And that's it! You've successfully set Bitwarden as your default password manager on Google Chrome, giving you more secure and convenient access to all your passwords. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.